Hello and welcome to my channel and my new video. And if you are into watch related content, please subscribe. So thank you. Today, as the title of this video says, I'm gonna show you how to adjust your watch hands on the Casio Edifice EFV C110. And let's get started. From the standard timekeeping mode, press the mode button once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, and we are in the hand setting mode. The age set was shown briefly over here, and now we have the time shown in the digital displays. I'm gonna zoom in that for you. And as you can see, we have our time shown. It is 14 minutes and 19 hours and 14 minutes. And as you can see, my analog time does not correspond to my digital time displayed. And whilst we are in the age set hand setting mode, I'm gonna press and hold the upper left button, that's the adjust button, for about 2 seconds until I hear the beep. So let's go. And there it is. We have our both values on our digital displays flashing. Now we are in the position of adjusting our watch hands. So let's get started. By pressing this button, you are moving your time setting in increments of third of a minute, so about 20 seconds. So let me get it for you. As you can see, my minute hand is moving in increments of 20 seconds when I press this button over here. By pressing and holding this button over here, you will engage the fast rotation of your seconds hand. And as you can see, I'm moving my my minute hand, and the minute hand is going around, and it will move the hour hand with it. Now I will release it and fine-tune it to 19 o'clock and 16 minutes. Here is 15, I believe, yes. So let me get it to 16, almost 17 right now. And there it is, to 17. Now to implement the settings, simply press the adjust button once, and the watch now has, we have actually synced our analog and digital time. Remember that we are in the still age set mode, so press the mode button once, and now we are in the standard timekeeping mode. So that were the basics of our hand setting mode on the Casio Edifice EFV C110. Thank you very much for watching, and if you are into watch related content, please subscribe. Thank you.